Welcome to Aryu Academy. We are going to take a quick look into world of cybersecurity. In today's digital world, our personal information, devices, and online accounts are constantly at risk. So, what are the threats we need to know about and how we protect ourselves? In this video, we are going to explore the basis of cybersecurity and learn how to stay safe online. And let's get started. Introduction to cybersecurity. Every day, data moves through the world at speed of light. Applications process the transaction. Network connect people. Systems store the digital data, records, and our lives. And every single one, those systems has something in common. They are being targeted, and not by accidental, not by chance, by design. The question is no longer whether an organization will be attacked. The question is whether they are preparing when someone tries. Why does cybersecurity actually matters? Let's be specific. When an organization experiences a cybersecurity incident, it's not just about server going offline. It's all about what those server contains: customer data, financial records, intellectual property, operational system, patient records, national infrastructure. A security breach can mean stolen identities, distributed operations, regulatory fines, legal ability, and in some cases, the complete loss of customer trust. And the trust, once lost, is extraordinarily difficult to rebuild. Cybersecurity exists to protect what matters: data, systems, applications, people, operations, business continuity, and ultimately trust. This is why cybersecurity problem not just a technical problem. Every technical vulnerabilities have a business consequence, and that's the first mindset shift you must make. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? At its core, cybersecurity is a practice of protecting systems, networks, applications, devices, and data from unauthorized access, misuse, disruption, modification, and destruction. But let's be clear, cybersecurity isn't about stopping attacks. It's about ensuring system and information can be trusted. It's about preserving the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. And these three words, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, from the foundation of almost everything you learn in this course. Let's move into the topic. The CIA Triad. The CIA Triad is a foundation of information security. It consists of three principles. First, confidentiality. This means that only authorized users should be able to access information. If you are logged in your online banking account, only you should see the bank balance and transaction and everything. And the system must protect the information from anyone who shouldn't have an access. And second, integrity. Information should remain accurate and protect from unauthorized modification. When you transfer money, a transaction record must be correct. No one should be able to alter your balance or transaction history without authentication. And moving to third one, availability. Authorized user must be able to access system and information when needed. Your bank website should be available when you need to check your balance or make a payment. An unavailable system is nearly as bad as a compromised one. Now consider this. A cybersecurity professional doesn't just look of this concept to memorize. They just ask how is confidentiality protected in their system and where it integrity be compromised. What could cause availability to fail? This brings us the most important concept you will learn in this course. Let's break down the four critical concepts: assets, threat, vulnerability, and risk. Imagine you are a valuable watch. That watch is asset, something of value that needs protection. A thief in your neighborhood is a threat, someone who could harm the asset. If your friend door has broken lock, that's vulnerability, a weakness that could be exploited. Risk is the potential impact of the vulnerability being exploited by the threat. The likelihood of the thief using the broken lack of steal your watch. Now translate this to cybersecurity. An asset should be a customer database, valuable and critical, and a threat is an attacker targeting the database. A vulnerability is a security weakness like an unpatched server or weak password policy. Risk is the potential business and the technical impact if the vulnerability is exploited. So, how do attacks actually happen? Understanding the attack life cycle is essential for any cybersecurity professional. The first stage is identify an attacker. Gather information about target, what system exists, what application is running, what might be vulnerable. Then initial access. The attackers find a way in often through a phishing mail, a vulnerable application or misconfigured system. Next, exploitation. Attackers uses their access to exploit a vulnerability, gaining a foothold. Finally, they achieve their objective, steal data, distributed operations, and cause damage. But here, what security professionals understand, every stage this chain create an opportunity of defense, prevention, detection, and response. The goal isn't a blocking the initial attack, it's to detect and respond at any stage. And this is why cybersecurity is far more than just ethical hacking. Cybersecurity is bigger than ethical hacking. Here is a misconception we need to clear up immediately. Cybersecurity is not just an ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is one part of much larger ecosystem. Let's look at what exists in cybersecurity industry. Offensive security focus on identifying vulnerabilities through authorized testing and controlled attacks. Defensive security and the security operation centers monitors, detect, and respond to threat in real time. Application security ensure that software is designed and built securely. Cloud security protects cloud infrastructure, platforms, and application. Identify and access management control who can access what. Incident response handles security events when they occur. Digital forensic investigate and analyzes evidence after an incident. Vulnerability management identifies and prioritizes security weakness. Governance, risk, and compliance ensure that organization meet security standards and regulations, that is GRC. And privacy data protection ensure personal information is handled legally and ethically. Each of these domains connects to each other, and throughout your journey at RU Academy, you will explore all of them.